What's up, gang? Team Howard Outdoors. Got that H&K MP-5 22 long rifle, first shots. Got several 25 round magazines here. Remember, this first shots. I never shot this gun. We're gonna see what it do. Gonna load her up. Well, this one too is got an ambidextrous safety. Pretty cool. See, the gun is on safe. The eyes on, ears in. See what this H&K do. MP5, 22 LR. I've already been doing a little bit of shooting. Not with this gun. We got the Taurus G2C. We'll upload that video later on. But let's take the first shots at this. Okay, we got the magazine in. Coming back. It's going right in. I want to do the H&K slap, but maybe on the next one we'll do the H&K slap. See if this is gonna fire. Got the gun in fire. First shot. You see where that hit, right? Second shot. Shoot a tad bit high. Shoots pretty good, pretty sweet. Two ways we can drop this mag. This is probably the preferred way. You know, we're gonna do this, but you also got a push release here. I got small hands, pretty short, so it's hard for me to reach up to this. So we'll just do it the regular way. Push that up, take that empty mag out. Okay, second magazine. See if we can give y'all that H&K slap. Bring this back. No slap, it's already loaded. Gun's pretty accurate. You know, I was thinking about putting the optic on this. Red dot, of course. But I don't know. Since I put a little paint on my front sight post. What you think? Okay. So that's the first two magazines, gang. Team Howard Outdoors, H&K MP-5, 22 long rifle. It's a good gun. Y'all stay with us.